Hi, this is Ale Gambini, Queen in the Kitchen, and today I'm visiting one of the most beautiful spots in Italy. It's called Orta-San Giulio. It's not very known by the majority of the people, but it's a gem. It's beautiful. It's a little place on a lake, and here we can admire the beautiful Basilica of Santa Maria Assunta. At the end of a steep climb lies the magnificent church of Santa Maria Assunta. The Catholic church was built in 1485 and rebuilt in the 18th century. This cathedral is adorned with paintings by Rossetti, Cantalupi and Procaccini. The medieval village of Orta is the jewel of Lake Orta. The village is very charming and entirely traffic-free. Piazza Motta is an open-air space facing the lake, taking the people over the island of San Giulio. The boat ride is the only way to reach the shoreline of the enchanting island of San Giulio. The ride is about 10 minutes and the boat leaves every 15 minutes. The spectacular island of San Giulio is dominated by the Romanesque Basilica of San Giulio, where the homonymous saint is buried. And if you need something to eat or to drink, there is only one restaurant in the whole little island, and it's called Ristoro San Giulio. Let's have something inside. Typical and revisited Italian dishes are offered in the beautiful terrace overlooking the lake or in an ancient hall from the 8th century. And on the way back to Orta San Giulio, if you like a very good wine, you should stop at Cantine del Castello Conti in Maggiora. Here we have the beautiful girls, owner of this amazing castle. They produce a specific wine called Boca. We have Elena, Paola and Mariuccia. Thank you for having us. So remember to stop by at Cantine del Castello Conti to try Boca wine, delicious wine from Piedmont. Conti's castle was built in the early 60s by Mr. Armando Conti. At Castello Conti, the customers are called friends and welcomed in an informal and heartwarming setting. The heart of the castle is the winery, where the precious wine is produced, bottled and sold. The Conti sisters also organize art events with vertical wine tasting. The Boca wine is a fine wine from Novara Hills, a mix of Nebbiolo, Vespolina and Uvarara grape. Orta San Giulio is a magical place where past and present meet, in a breathtaking surrounding overlooking the Lake Orta. Bye bye from your Queen in the Kitchen and see you next time!